Hello to all subscribers, crypto enthusiasts and investors. My name is Julia Flovers and I'm happy to see you all on my channel, where I talk about how to make money from cryptocurrency. Be sure to watch this video to the end, as in the next few minutes I will tell you each how you can participate in the new airdrop and be guaranteed $500 each. Airdrop has just started, so there is still an opportunity to take part and make money. But I will tell you right away that this freebie will not last long, as the total amount is limited. And now let's move on to the airdrop itself. It's conducted by the developers of this project. Airdrop is a part of marketing strategy to promote their tokens among population in order to increase the number of holders and interest in the project. Airdrop is held on the famous TrustPad platform. It is a multi-chain and one of the top 5 of the largest launchpads. So let's take part in Airdrop while there's an opportunity and guaranteed ways to earn tokens. Organisers of the drawing have considered that there will be a lot of people, so they limited the maximum amount of tokens you can get. The limit is $500 in their tokens. Also, we see that airdrop amount is limited. Only a small part of the tokens allocated and half already distributed, which means we need to hurry. The rules of participation in airdrop are very simple. We need to have a wallet on MetaMask or Trust Wallet to get the precious $500. I have a MetaMask add-on. For example, click Join Airdrop and connect your wallet to the platform. After connecting your wallet to the platform, immediately you will see a pop-up about a small fee, about 7 cents for the transaction, that you will need to pay. After that, the only thing left is to wait for the tokens to come to our wallet. So friends, I did it. It took about 5 minutes and tokens appeared on my wallet. I received a small amount of tokens, which is roughly equivalent to $500. I earned $500 in a matter of minutes. This is unbelievable. I can say with certainty that the developers have achieved their goals, as I'm already thinking about holding this token, because I believe that this project has a great future. Besides that, I have already taken interest in following the project. I think that now we can wrap up. If you are interested in participating in airdrop, then I've shown you how easy it is. I hope you watch this video before airdrop is over. Hurry over to the airdrop website by following the link in the description, and then write a comment. Join and get a very nice bonus. So that's all for now. Thanks for staying on my channel.